Ready to supercharge your stake account with the ultimate inconvenience? Let's dive into how to deposit funds using Apple Pay. First, open the Stake app on your iPhone and tap on your profile icon, usually located in the top right or bottom right corner of the screen. Now, look for the Deposit Funds button. It's typically found near the top of your profile screen. Tap on it. You should see a list of available deposit methods. Find Apple Pay and select it. If Apple Pay isn't showing, it could be due to regional limitations or that it is not an accepted method. Take note of the current deposit limitations. Enter the amount you wish to deposit into the designated field. Double-check the amount, then confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode when prompted by Apple Pay. A confirmation message should appear, indicating your deposit is processing. Keep in mind that processing times can vary, so be patient. Remember, investing involves risk, so always do your research. And now you're all set to start trading with your freshly funded account using the speed and convenience of Apple Pay. Happy investing!